Hello everyone and welcome back to Red Graphics. In this tutorial I'll be taking you through how to quickly export your animations as GIF in Adobe After Effects. So in this tutorial I'm going to be using this bouncing ball animation. I dropped the tutorial on how to create this bouncing ball animation in Adobe After Effects a few days ago, so I'm just going to be dropping the link down in the description for you to check it out if you want to learn how to create this animation. So this is what we're going to be exporting today as GIF in Adobe After Effects. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have a solid layer right here if you do not want your GIF to be exported with a transparent background. So that is the difference between exporting as a GIF with a transparent background and with a background. But with this tutorial we want to export this animation with a background, so we are going to be adding a solid. If you do not want your animations to be exported as GIF with a background, all you just need to do is you need to leave it like so. Do not add a solid to it, because right here the background color is from the composition settings, the composition background color. That will not add a background to your GIF. It's going to come out transparent, so we need to add another solid for it to come out with the background. So we want this to come out with the background, so we're going to be adding a solid. So all you need to do is come right here, right click, go to new, and then go to solid. So it's going to take the composition size, and then I want this color. If you don't, you can change your color right here. So I'm just going to click OK. So once that is done, you're going to have a solid on top of all your layers, but I don't want them to be on top of my layers, so I'm just going to bring it down like so, and then I'm going to lock it in place. So once that is done, then we can go ahead and export. So you come to composition, click on composition, and then go down to add to Adobe Media Encoder. You click on that. It's going to open up your Adobe Media Encoder if you do not already have it opened up, but I already have mine opened up, so I'm just going to wait for it to show up here. So that's what I'm going to, now it has shown. So all I need to do is come right here, click on this drop down, and then look for animated GIF. Here is my animated GIF, and then I'm just going to click on this for Adobe Media Encoder to create a dynamic link connection, and then bring up a dialog box for me to adjust some settings. So right here we already have the dialog box, but I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to leave this and this as they are. I'm just going to click on this to choose where my GIF is going to be saved into. So I'm just going to click on desktop. I want it on my desktop, so right here I'm just going to click on save. So once that is done, I'm just going to click on OK. I'm just going to leave the settings and click on OK. Then once that is done, here is also the output file. You can click on it to change where you want it outputted to if you didn't edit it in the dialog box. So I'm just going to leave this like so, and then once you're done, just come to the play icon and click on it. So it's going to start rendering the GIF. It might take a while depending on your computer speed, the size of the animation, and so, but it's quite fast. So mine has started rendering, so I'm just going to wait for it to finish rendering. So now it's done. So if I want to check the animation, you can either go to your desktop or you can click on this link to bring up the destination, and then I'm just going to right click on this and then go to open. I'm going to open it with my Firefox browser. So here is our animated GIF. We've successfully exported it from After Effects, and it has created this loop. It's just a 2 seconds animation, but a GIF is going to have this loop. So here is your animated GIF. If you enjoyed this tutorial or if it was useful for you, kindly drop a like. It's going to help the channel and then push the video to other people who are going to need this video. So thank you very much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.